Do you vote an ambivert? The BS is cooked like ham and jerky. I'm about to react to Dilema. Hashtag blasphemy bars. Hashtag blasphemy challenge. Tag I am locksmith at Crooks. It doesn't say what's after that in its title, but yeah, bro. Shout out to my man Dilema. Yo, that mask is nice, bro. I like that mask. That's dope. That's dope. Uh, that artwork is nice, bro. We finna get right into it. Before we get into it, if y'all new to the channel, make sure y'all like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit that bell to get all the notifications as far as the future vids that I will come out with. Yo, the original blasphemy song, bro, is nasty. Locksmith and Crooked, they went in. That joint is abound with wordplay and substance and crazy rhyme schemes. Like, nah, bro, it's two of the illest rappers alive, bro. That's a fact. That's a big fact. That's a huge fact. Crooked is one of the all-time greats. Locksmith a future all-time great. They elite, bro. They are elite extraterrestrial, bro. Straight up, bro. Let's get right into it. Dilema is a top tier lyricist, bro. His lyricism is elite too, bro. Bro, stop playing with him, bro. We finna get into it. This beat is hard. Let's see what you coming with.
Bars crazy like Bloody Mary and Candy, man. Now look yourself in the mirror.
Out the gate, man. Out the gate. Bars crazy like Bloody Mary and Candy, man. That's a bar, bro. That's a bar.
Bars crazy like Bloody Mary and Candy, man. Now look yourself in the mirror, man. All you see is Candyland.
Yeah, bar. What you say the name like what 5 times and then he appears like I think it's 5 times, 3 or 5, one of the two. That's crazy. That's a bro.
Bars crazy like Bloody Mary and Candy, man. Now look yourself in the mirror, man.
You be in the dark.
I'm bliggity black, you can't fit with these facts. Warm it up, I jump on the beat like the Miggity Mac. Bars crazy like Bloody Mary and Candy, man. Now look yourself in the mirror, man. All you see is Candyland. I'm bliggity black, you can't fit with these facts. Warm it up, I jump on the beat like the Miggity Mac. Keep my verses rotating.
What did he say? Warm it up, Mac, like Mac the gun, but macaroni, I think.
Candy, man. Now look yourself in the
I might be reaching though.
Candyland. I'm bliggity black, you can't fit with these facts. Warm it up, I jump on the beat like the Miggity Mac. Keep my verses rotating. Timbaland is Swiss. Anyone who go hating, Timbaland's a Swiss. Cheese them.
Hold on. Timbaland is Swiss beats, bro. Legendary.
I'm bliggity black, you can't fit with these facts. Warm it up, I jump on the beat like the Miggity Mac. Keep my verses rotating. Timbaland is Swiss. Anyone who go hating, Timbaland's.
Yeah, verses rotating, bro. Like his rap verses, but these verses battles, Timbaland and Swiss beats, like, yo, them verses battles be fun, bro. I saw the RZA versus DJ Premier. The RZA versus DJ Premier one, bro. That joint, bro. 2 legends, bro. 2 of the greatest, bro. 2 of the greatest of all time, man. Like, they be going crazy, bro. Yo, shout out to Wu-Tang. Shout out to Gangstar. Shout out to Prime. Shout out to Premier, bro. Shout out to RZA individually, bro. Shout out to both of them individually, bro. They legends. They legends. Shout out to the Wu, man. Witty, unpredictable talent and natural game. R.I.P. Guru, man. R.I.P. Guru from Gangstar, man. One of the illest of all time.
Bars crazy like Bloody Mary and Candy, man. Now look yourself in the mirror, man. All you see is Candyland. I'm bliggity black, you can't fit with these facts. Warm it up, I jump on the beat like the Miggity Mac. Keep my verses rotating. Timbaland is Swiss. Anyone who go hating, Timbaland's a Swiss. Cheese them. I'm great at greatness. Splitting eggs, we begging, you got it juice. I take it as Bishop and you adjacent.
Hold on.
My verses rotating, Timbaland is Swiss. Anyone who go hating, Timbaland's a Swiss. Cheese them. I'm great at greatness. Splitting eggs, we begging, you got it juice. I take it as Bishop and you adjacent.
The breakfast scheme, bro.
My verses rotating, Timbaland is Swiss. Anyone who go hating, Timbaland's a Swiss. Cheese 'em, I'm great at greatness. Splitting eggs, we baking, you got it juice. I take it as Bishop and you adjacent. I'm over your roof when I open the booth. Closing on mine, I'm closing mine.
I open your roof, bro. Your head, your roof, your head, bro.
Candyman, now look yourself in the mirror, man. All you see is Candyland. I'm bliggity black, you can't fit with these facts. Warm it up, I jump on the beat like the miggity Mac. Keep my verses rotating, Timbaland is Swiss. Anyone who go hating, Timbaland's a Swiss. Cheese 'em, I'm great at greatness. Splitting eggs, we baking, you got it juice. I take it as Bishop and you adjacent. I'm over your roof when I open the booth. Closing on mine, I'm closing mine like you ain't open the truth. A crooked king with the Smith lock Smith, leave a king crooked. The key to flipping name is the block in and think crooked. Gemini.
Yeah, this man paying homage, bro. This man going crazy. He barring. A king with the Smith, bro. Smith and West. Come on, king with the Smith.
I'm over your roof when I open the booth. Closing on mine, I'm closing mine like you ain't open the truth. A crooked king with the Smith lock Smith, leave a king crooked.
A crooked king with the Smith. Bro, man. Them king cricket bars, bro.
This Bishop and you adjacent.
Bar.
When I open the booth, closing on mine, I'm closing mine like you ain't open the truth. A crooked king with the Smith lock Smith, leave a king crooked. The key to flipping name is the block in and think crooked. Gemini, him and I. Can you tell which twin of mine rhetorical? Good soul fool, it's hard to pick a side. I'm blowing mine, big old pro, out here picking sides. Being on the fences.
Yeah, this man is crazy with this.
Name is the block in and
hey, bro. His bar is super crazy. Psychosis partner. Come on, man. Yeah, my wrestling fans know that. Bro. My wrestling fans will get that, bro.
When I open the booth, closing on mine, I'm closing mine like you ain't open the truth. A crooked king with the Smith lock Smith, leave a king crooked. The key to flipping name is the block in and think crooked. Gemini, him and I. Can you tell
Gemini Zodiac, bro.
Good soul fool.
Yo, Gemini, they have the Zodiac Gemini, two sides, twins. Like, man. Pick it, man.
When I open the booth, closing on mine, I'm closing
it's so much, bro.
A crooked king with the Smith lock Smith, leave a king crooked. The key to flipping name
is
the block
to this,
in
bro.
and think crooked. Gemini, him and I. Can you tell which
his Zodiac is Gemini. He was born in May.
Over your roof when I open the booth, closing on mine, I'm closing mine like you ain't open the truth.
Like the anime, or was it June? The beginning of June. It's something like that, bro. I forgot. It's either the anime or the beginning of June, something like that. Hey, Dilema, correct me, bro. Yeah, correct me if I'm wrong, bro. It's either the beginning of May or it's either the anime or the beginning of June, something like that, bro. I might be wrong, bro. Yeah, Dilema, just let me know, bro. Refresh my memory, G.
When the Smith lock Smith, leave a king crooked. The key to flipping name is the block in and think crooked. Gemini, him and I. Can you tell which twin of mine rhetorical? Good soul fool, it's hard to pick a side. I'm blowing mine.
Full scheme, bro. Sides.
Smith lock Smith, leave a king crooked. The key to flipping name is the block in and think crooked. Gemini, him and I. Can you tell which twin of mine rhetorical? Good soul fool, it's hard to pick a side. I'm blowing mine. Big old pro, out here picking sides. Being on the fence is defensive, now go and pick a side.
Yeah, revolutionary bars, bro. Protest bars, bro.
Can you tell which twin of mine
bro.
Good soul fool, it's hard to pick a side.
Picket signs.
Big old pro, out here picking sides.
Like, you use a pick for your fro. Like, I used to have a pick when I had a big fro. I had a huge fro like years ago. I used to pick that mud, bro. This dude is nasty, bro.
Name is the block in and think crooked. Gemini, him and I. Can you tell which twin of mine rhetorical? Good soul fool, it's hard to pick a side. I'm blowing mine. Big old pro, out here picking sides. Being on the fence is defensive, now go and pick a side.
Hold on, bro. Run that back.
Fool, it's hard to pick a side. I'm blowing mine. Big old pro, out here picking sides. Being on the fence is defensive, now go and pick a side.